What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Pop Culture Gamers video. And today we've got something a little bit more different for you. It's the Quntis remote control dual source light bar pro. So this is something that goes onto your monitor and basically goes over the top and then acts as a direct downward source of light. This one has a remote control so that you can control the brightness, and as you can see, wireless remote, flicker free lighting, CRI 95RA, dual light source design, and indefinitely adjustable or infinitely adjustable. So looking at the back at the obviously instructions that we have here, there are different ways that it can be set up on your monitor, and it also works on curved screens as well. This is just something that's going to be really useful for getting a bit more extra light on things. So, taking it out of the box, there are a few things in here. So first off, within the box, there is this instruction manual in terms of using a remote control. Pretty obvious, really. Here is the little puck that you get. It's not rechargeable, which is actually a great shame, I think. But in terms of this, all we do is we put in these batteries, so let's do that now. And then the batteries, nice. There we are. This is the back. Now this does feel quite substantial, and as you can see, that is quite a heavy thing. So this obviously goes over your monitor, and then your monitor sits in like so. And if you've got a curved monitor, this will go further back so that it will be able to sit on your monitor. The obligatory USB cable that goes with it. Just for fun, let's see what sort of cable this is. I would have thought this would be just direct power, using my trusty Quntis cable tester. If you want, there is the up here somewhere is the link to the video about this as a product. So yeah, it's just power transmission, exactly as I thought. So not one to get mixed up with anything else I want to use. And then we have the light bar itself. And the light bar is two-toned. So obviously this will go into here, clip on like so. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just use my power supply that I've got here. I've tested this on the cable that came with it on my Quntis device, and it is just literally a power cable. There is nothing interesting about the cable that comes with it. If you want to see more about the Quntis device for measuring your cables and what they do, just look at my video up here. So I've now got my hockey puck remote control, and I can do numerous different things. I can power on the backlight, like so. I can also power on all of the lights, or I can just power on the downward looking light. I can also, pressing this button, now change the colour temperature to make it a quite yellowy light to a much harsher white light. And I can click on this one, and then this one changes the luminosity of the light. So my next shot will be of this in action, but that's it. That is this Quntis light. It's available on Amazon for around about £40, depending upon when you buy it and if you're buying it in a sale or not. but it is a really good device. And if you just want a pool of light where you're working, this is going to be a really good thing for you to look to buy. I love the fact that it's got this remote control hockey puck as well. Obviously this display on the top of the hockey puck is going to be a real magnet for fingerprints, as you can see already on here, so that's probably a downside, but to be honest, just give it a wipe if you want to. But yeah, that's this this light. So hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.